Hi! In this video we will show you how to customize Matter tabs and tailoring your workspace by displaying only the relevant tabs and organizing them to suit your workflow. To show or hide tabs in Matters, open System Settings and navigate to the tabs configuration under Matters. Here, configurations are divided into corporate matters and litigation cases. You can edit or delete any existing configuration from this page. To create a new configuration, click the Configure tabs link at the top. Specify whether the configuration will apply to corporate matters or litigation cases. Select the relevant practice areas for the configuration. On the right, you'll find a list of all available tabs, including both default and custom pages. The eye icon indicates that the tab is visible on the Matter page. To hide it, simply click the eye icon to disable it. You can repeat this action for any tabs you wish to show or hide. Changes are saved automatically, and the system will apply them to all matters under this specific configuration. For more information about Lexzur, reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.